Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. The van also comes with an automatic transmission. This example is finished in the special order paint Flanny Grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The van also features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps. Down below, the van sits on 16-inch black steel wheels as well as coming with a full wheel trim cover set. Towards the rear of the vehicle there are the 270-degree hinged barn doors. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding side load doors. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the cab itself there is a single armrest on the driver's seat along with two seats next to this. All the seats come finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery as well as having plenty of leg space. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as utilise the App Connect feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for this van. The van features two front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. To the left there are some additional controls for start-stop as well as the front heated windscreen, and just beneath this there is a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.